Using the chain rule, on the first term on the right side and formula triple star, we get what we get, del x ti bar dxk equal to gamma tr xs xr x bar I xs x bar k plus we have used chain rule in first term, okay, and using the previous formula third star, what we will get, that is IKS del x r del xs minus st r del s del x bar I del xt del x bar k bracket close, okay. After solving it, what you will get? You will get this tr xs xr x bar I xs okay. After solving it, you will get this much. You will take it inside, then what you will get, ik bar t, okay, minus okay. After solving it, you will get, after rearranging this, which rearrange to the following, gamma delta ti bar dx bar k minus gamma I k t bar t is equal to del t r s s minus gamma r s t this t del x r del x bar I del x s. What can you conclude from here? Can you tell me one thing? Okay. Which is this part? This part is a tensor. From here, what you imply? This implies that this this is a tensor because this satisfies tensor property. This part, this is equal to bar thing equal to this kind of thing. This is a tensor, okay. This is a tensor. Now what is the definition of, now I am writing, now I am defining what is this. in any coordinate system xi, the covariant derivative with respect to xk of a covariant tensor T is equal to Ti is the tensor. After calculating all these things, we know this is tensor. That is why we are defining this definition. T, there is a space, that is Tik equal to this way. One minute. One minute. So this is equal to this. This is gamma I k t. So this is covariant derivative of covariant tensor. Okay, define like this way. Okay. Similarly, what will be the another definition I am giving? What is the definition of? This is definition 1. Covariant derivative of covariant tensor. Now what is the covariant derivative of contravariant tensor is also there. This is the notation. Okay. Definition 2. In any coordinate system xi, the covariant derivative with respect to xk of a contravariant tensor T is equal to Ti is the tensor T, K. It is also written like this way, T, K, T, K, I is equal to Ti plus gamma Tk. This is gamma. Second Christopher symbols. Okay, this one. So today's lecture up to this. Thank you very much.